Okay, today we want to work on some of moving on and forward with some of your problem solving skills. So there might be a glare on the board, so I'm just going to go ahead and read this problem, and then you may just want to hit pause so you can actually work through that. Okay, so as pheasant season approaches, many factors can have a negative effect on their population. Okay, so predators like falcons and eagles constantly, I wouldn't say attack them, but they are on their list of prey items. So if they attack and kill pheasants, if the prey absorbed, in other words, the pheasant absorbed 35 newtons of force, okay, and fell to the ground for 4.7 seconds, we want to know how high was the attack if the initial velocity is 0, okay? So what you're looking for is how high was that. So we can make some presumptions, and gravity is one of them that you would have to presume in this because it is falling down towards the earth. It's in the vertical component. Okay, so that is problem number 1. Problem number 2 then states that when giraffes swing their necks, how much force is absorbed when they begin moving their neck from rest in 1.12 seconds, later strike with 2,530 kilograms per meter over seconds. The mass of the neck is 115 kilograms. So again, you may have to hit pause on that to go ahead and catch up with some of these variables. Maybe you can get all in the frame now. Okay, so we're up to just about 2 minutes. So allow you to go ahead and think about that for just a moment. All right, so as we move forward, just like any other problem, the first thing you want to do after you've read it, write down the information that you know. Since we have newtons, we know that that is a force. Okay, and then we also know when it fell to the ground, the time was 4.7 seconds. Okay, and here's a clue right here as well. The initial velocity is 0. And remember, this is falling down in the vertical component, so we are going to take gravity into account for that for an acceleration. Okay, so again, what is the question ultimately asking? It's saying how high was that attack? So at, I don't know, here's your eagle, attacks the pheasant right here, and then down it goes. What is that vertical component that we're looking for in meters? All right, so as we look at this, we have our information here that we're looking for. So in this aspect, notice we do have a little bit of extra information in here. I'll let you sort that content out. Oh, maybe we're looking for the mass as well. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add that. And the mass of the pheasant. Because remember, that had absorbed that 35 newtons of force. So then what we're looking for is distance, then also that of a mass. Okay? Just like it says on the calendar, 1 o'clock. What do you mean he needs a map?
He's lost. He can't find his way around the school today.
I can't hear you.
Can I ask you a question?
Just a moment. Let me get this finished first, all right?